Okay, rebuilding your fuel injectors. Here I have them laid out. This is before, this is taken apart, this one's completed. These particular injectors are out of a 97 F350 with a 7.5 gas engine. Injectors are going to look just like this, I believe in the 5.0 and several other Ford engines. So not going to be a lot of variance here. We're just going to cover rebuilding these real quick. The kit is about $20 to do 8 fuel injectors. So starting off, you have this plastic cap. Take a razor blade and split this cap is going to be the easiest way to get that off. Once you get that split, take some needle nose pliers, pry that off. You'll have 2 O-rings, the round one, then the flat one. Simply replace with the new ones. Flat, then round. We're going to wait to put our plastic cap on here for a minute. Now you have your filter down in here. Find a screw that fits and thread that in a couple turns. And go ahead and wiggle that out. Take our new filter, set it in there, and then we're going to use a flathead hammer to press that in flush. Once we have that done, we have this O-ring to replace, and then we can put our cap on. And this just simply presses on. Done. Takes literally 30 seconds once you get the hang of it. So there you have it. 20 bucks for the kit, do 8 cylinders, very basic tools. Really hope this video helped you out. If it did, please hit it with a like, subscribe to the channel, and check out my playlist on other OBS Ford fixes. As always, really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching.